in, you finally have access to Google's VEO2. If you wanted to get access to Google's VEO2 model in order to generate super high quality videos from images and from text prompts, then you're in the right place, because I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up to the waitlist in order to get accepted to the early tester program, just like I did here. And I'm going to show you how to do it in just 2 minutes, so let's get right into it. Go to Google and type in VEO2. Over here, you see the link to VEO2 from Google DeepMind. You see that there's access to try it on Vertex and try it on VideoFX. We're going to select the try on VideoFX. Over here, you can see the button that says sign in with Google. We're going to do that right here. Welcome to labs.google/fx, and we're going to click the sign in button right here. It asks us which email we would like to use, and we're going to select this one. And it says experience and shape AI tools for creativity. I like to receive marketing emails, and I like to receive research invitations. These are optional, but I'm going to just click those on. I'm going to select next, and I'm going to accept their agreement. Next, I'm going to click on agree and continue. And now there is a button where we can select join the waitlist. Let's click on that. Here it says FX Early Access Program Application. This is the link in order to request access to the early access. Let's click on that and let's fill it out with our information. Click OK. For the profession, I'm going to select other, and I'm going to select YouTuber. Are you over the age of 18? I'm going to select yes. Which country are you located in? And currently this is only available in the United States. And I am located in the United States, so I'm going to select United States. And I'm actually going to select educational and research purposes, because I want to make videos about how to use it. I'm going to select the tools that I've used before, which are the first 4. I do have a professional account to this one and Sora. Over here, I'm going to say I would like to participate in market research. I'm going to select yes. And I'm also going to select yes to opt in to receiving news offers and promotions. Let's click submit. And my response has been recorded. Quick note here, it helps to show that you're going to help the Google DeepMind AI team in order to improve their product rather than just taking full advantage of it. So that's why I selected to turn on the marketing emails as well as wanting to participate in research things. I've also heard that adding your non-Gmail address might also be beneficial, but I do not have data to back that up. After a few minutes to a few hours, maybe a few days or weeks, you will get this email where it says, hi there, thank you for previously expressing interest in your VideoFX. We would like to share that you have now the access to Google DeepMind's latest video generation model, VEO2 and VideoFX. Let's go to Google Apps and let's try it out. You can see here that I'm already logged in with my Google account because I'm already logged in, and I can now create a video with text or images. So let's create a video of a dog running on the beach during sunset. And as you can see here, this does take a little bit longer than some other AI video generators, but keep in mind, this is completely free if you're on the early waitlist. And there we have it. We got 2 images of a dog running on the beach. Let's see how good these are. Wow, that is incredible. The physics of it, you can even see the sand spraying up at the end. I'm not even sure if I would be able to tell if this is AI or not. Maybe the ears are a little bit weird, but overall, this is phenomenal. Let's check out the other video. This is a very different dog, so let's see if this also looks great. Okay, this looks a little bit more unnatural, but overall still, this looks phenomenal. Compared to some of the other video generators, this is really detailed and overall just looks so natural. You might need to be a little bit patient before you get admitted to this beta testing program, but in the end, you'll get an email just like that and will be able to use VEO2. Like this video and let me know in the comments if this was helpful. And if you want to learn how to use AI tools to be more productive and how to use them effectively, subscribe to this channel, because I'm editing a bunch of videos right now that will be super helpful to entrepreneurs. So I hope I'll see you in those.